Pake's car, the oil pan drain plug hole is, the thread is screwed up. The game plan is we're gonna re-tap it and then get a Fumoto thread locker. So re-tap, thread lock, Fumoto. That's the current game plan. We shall give it a try, see how it goes. But first, gotta walk the dog and get the parts, so. So this is the tap handle, this is the tap, and that's for in case we want to make the Fumoto more permanent. This one we bought from the hardware store. It's 12 by 1.25, and this is the bolt head, and we know this fits, right? So it goes right on, right? Good. Yeah. There's no like edges or something.
I don't know what that means.
It's okay. So now it's in place. Maybe we should practice on this guy first.
Yeah, practice first.
But you know what? If we test it out here and it doesn't work, then we shouldn't do it on the car. Okay.
So
Back out.
bring it back out.
Okay, so now now that we've done that, we hope after doing that, we hope this still fits in here. Hey! It does what we want!
Make sure it's super flush.
Yep.
Straight through.
Yep. It gets clogged. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's turn it back. It's not super graceful. Okay. We made it pretty far in.
How are you doing?
It worked pretty well. I was pretty amazed.
Yeah. I'm going like super careful.
Yeah,
I'm going like a turn and then 2 turns back.
Yep. How far in do you think you are?
I think I'm pretty much all the way in.
Okay, that's good. Okay. This is Momo. He's our supervisor.
Oh, good idea.
That's fine, got it.
Okay, we got it. Ooh. Come back.
Nice.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Clean everything up, but it's okay.
Let me push. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, hold on.
Press that. Okay,
Yeah, there we go.
that's about it. Good. Nice.
That should be good. Yeah, so it's kind of like a touch, so we go.
There's a what in the way?
There is a bolt that holds the oil pan. That's in the way.
Oh, for turning it?
Yes.
The bolt of. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so what do we do?
We just put a normal drain plug in.
Okay, I guess so.
Since it's not leaking and the levels are good, let's go take it for a spin. The Fumoto valve doesn't fit because the valve lever keeps hitting the bottom of the drain oil pan. So we just use a normal drain plug, which we had plenty of. But yeah, we're driving.